Hello, and welcome to our instructional video on how to solve for the variable in the equation 4x divided by 2 equals 8. In this video, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of solving for the variable x. So let's dive in and start solving this equation together. To solve for the variable x in the equation 4x over 2 equals 8, we first need to simplify the left side of the equation. We start with the equation 4x over 2 equals 8. Let's break this down. The term 4x over 2 can be simplified. This is because we can divide both the 4 and the variable x by the number 2. Dividing 4 by 2 gives us 2. So the expression 4x over 2 simplifies to 2x. Now, we rewrite the equation with this simplified expression. We have 2x equals 8. At this point, our new simpler equation is 2x equals 8. Notice how, by simplifying 4x over 2 to 2x, it makes our equation easier to work with in the next steps. Next, we need to isolate the variable x to solve for its value. Currently, we have the equation 2x equals 8. To isolate x, we must get rid of the number 2 that is multiplying it. This involves doing the opposite operation, which is division, to both sides of the equation. Since 2 is multiplying x, we divide both sides by 2 to cancel out the 2 on the left side. This is because in mathematics, doing the same thing to both sides of the equation keeps it balanced and true. So we take 2x equals 8 and we divide both the left side and the right side by 2. On the left side, 2x divided by 2 equals x. On the right side, 8 divided by 2 equals 4. Now we rewrite the equation with the solution we found. We have x equals 4. By dividing both sides by 2, we were able to isolate x and find that it equals 4. So the value of x that solves the equation 4x over 2 equals 8 is 4. And that's the final step in solving this problem. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped. And if it did, please drop me a like.